Hey, how's it going? Dan here. Today I'm going to do an extended response on the Pyle Pro head microphones I've got. I had a question about them, about how durable they are, but I'm pretty sure he went for a different pair. I've never gotten around to it because I've been so busy and I couldn't find the camera. So, anyways, today I'm going to go ahead and do it. As you saw in the earlier videos, I made the review on the Pyle Pro PDWM 2600. I don't know why they have to make the name so long. It's kind of annoying when people ask you, what kind of headphones do you use, microphones do you use? So, anyways, now, as you can see with these, I have it says the frequency down there is 800.5 megahertz. Now, the TV stations are going into the high definition or all digital band, so, and that brings their frequencies up to a different level. I'm not sure. I haven't done much research. Me and him were talking about it. I can't remember his name. We were talking about it for a while or about 2 messages or so. Anyways, we're talking about how you might have some microphones and that frequency might have to, they'll be illegal because you'll interfere with their thingy. So anyways, on the back you can see you've got 2 balanced XLR and then an unbalanced 1/4, and then let's see here, put this down somewhere. Right there you've got your 1/4, and then you got 2 squelches. Mine are pushed in because I accidentally pushed them in. Then you've got your power cord. And then we got your 2 little dinky antennas. They work. They kind of just pop off like that, like the normal antenna, and then you just pop them back on, and then these things can go around as much as you want to. So, what I like about these things the most is, well, this is small, so you can put 2 in one space. So, you got that, and you can put another one in there next to it. So if you want 4 microphones, which would be good for a wedding, I have 2. And so far, I haven't needed any more. On the front, you've got your 2 little knob thingies to change the volume for each microphone. And then you've got your power button right there. Okay, some things I don't like about this. Well, to tell you the truth, the box feels nice and durable. That's nice. But the thing I don't like about it is this thing right here, where you put it onto your rack space. It's not held in there. Pretty much all you do is just slide it in there like that, and then pretty much there's no way to lock it in there. Like a screw, you can draw a screw in, but you can probably super glue it or tape it in. I've been doing that for some times, but mainly what I've been doing to keep it in is I put it there, and then I put like a heavier piece of equipment like an amp on top of it, and that seems to work. It comes with 2 of them. I'm not really sure why you'd need 2 if you're putting on half space. I guess you can buy some special things, whatever. So pretty much that. On to the microphones. These microphones, now, I've said in other ones, Pyle Pro is not known for its audio, but these are very good. These microphones feel durable. They're not metal. They're, they feel, plastic, but heavy-duty plastic. They don't, they feel like there's like a little skin of velvet on there. It feels kind of like that. It's nice and smooth. You got that thing, and then your bottom, and then you got the, on pretty much every microphone, I think, wireless, you got the off, and then mute, and then on. Anyways, it takes the, I can't remember what those are called. Unscrewing this right now. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Takes that battery right there. What's it called? 9 volt. That's it. 9 volt. I keep on thinking it's D cell. So, anyways, down there you've got your. Where's the plus and minus? Wrong way. Okay. So, anyways, on the box you've got the 2 antennas, which I normally keep off to the side over here like that. Probably like that, and then they go right in there like that. Shazam, it works beautifully. And pretty much this thing just twists back on. As you see, I've taken out everything else on the box except for those 2 things. Because got another question on the amplifier, or at least I think it's a question. He's more wondering about how you can, if it's more powerful to hook it up or something. Or he wants to get a crossover. And I know crossovers, I don't have one, because I've never needed one, and I'll show you later maybe a different video on why I never needed one. But you know, I've got 2 amps. I could get one. It's just the crown amp I have, it doesn't support enough power, but this one does, that one. So we'll go ahead and make a different video on that and how you can hook it up. Now, since you know, I've got good questions on these. Now, keep on backtracking off there. You can see all those cables. I'm gonna hook all this crap up. Anyways, this is very durable. I've never felt like it'll break. But you know, if you drop it on the ground, I would suggest not to. But you know, to tell you the truth, I'd feel, you know, if it drops on the ground, I'd feel like it'll still be there with you. It's not got a good weight to it. I'm not really sure how heavy. I'm not terrible at estimating. You know, you got your windscreen. It works pretty good. The clarity's like incredible. It really does sound like a Shure microphone. This thing zoomed in. No. Okay. And then pretty much I feel as if it's really good. Hasn't let me down. I don't have a microphone. Actually, I have wired microphones, which I would use as a backup. But otherwise, I'm very happy with these microphones. They're definitely the way to go. I think they're about $85 or $90. I'm not really sure. They're UHF, ultra high frequency. So pretty much you're not going to get much interference from cell phones or other devices that use airwaves, and it's good. Now, they've got a whole bunch of different types of microphones out there. They've got ones where, say, sometimes you're DJing like a wedding and the side of a big like hotel. They're like, sometimes there's, you know, 3 or 4 different DJs, maybe not that many, but there's sometimes a couple different DJs out there DJing with wireless microphones. You don't want to get on the same band as they are, because then you'll get their frequencies, so they'll get yours, and then, you know, it'll be weird. So pretty much some microphone systems will have a feature where you push a button and it'll scan for open frequencies, and that, I can see where that'll be helpful. But you know, I guess it's, you know, really what I do is I just go on eBay and type in wireless microphones and then look for a good one and then try it out. If I don't like it, I'll send it back. Make sure, if you're buying from eBay, make sure you have a return policy, because if it says no returns, then don't buy it from them, because most likely, if you get something you're not going to like, then you don't want to use it. Or then you don't want it, and then you can't give it back. It's not cool. Alright, so I guess that's all I have to say about the Pyle Pro PDWM 2600 microphones. It's definitely nice. Fits in your hand sturdy. It kind of, you can see the shape. It kind of, you know, goes from end to bigger at the bottom and then back. It's nice to hold in your hand right there. That's all I gotta say about it. So, yep.